Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. I just wanted to come by and show you a little bit of what Bitcoin is doing. As you could tell, right now we are already 40,000 pips, give or take, on this one trade. Um, Shoot, man, we were much more earlier, I guess. Um, so we are going for. What is this one we're going for? This is we're going for a huge $350 win here. So let's see where it goes. Let's let it play. Okay, well, look at that. Just make sure I secure my bag. Just with a push of a button, my break even. Boom. Okay, well, it's okay. I have another trade going in there. But look how quick, how fast we were able to jump in there. So, peace, love, and abundance be with y'all. Okay, look at this one. This is gonna be a beautiful. This is gonna be a beautiful entry right now. Um, for like I said, Bitcoin is going to the moon. Hope you guys are ready for it. And I just wanted to show you guys the system how it works. Peace, love, and abundance.
Bye bye.